So I'm going to show you how to remove sound or erase the sound from a video clip on your Galaxy A27. This is very simple. Just go to your gallery, find that clip. So for instance, if it's this clip, you can hear it. How would you get rid of this audio in this video? How would you do that? You can hear it does have sound. So what you need to do is tap on the editor. And once that opens the video editor, to remove the sound, you simply come here to the options here. You can see this sound icon. Now, if you tap on that, it allows you to adjust the level or the sound level of that video clip. But also you can go ahead and take it all the way to 0. You will see the mute option. You can see now it's cancelled, which means it's completely muted. And then now you can save that video and it's going to get saved without audio. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.